Hello people, this is an RC car. It goes really fast. He's just warming it up. Woo! Say hi.
Hello, people.
Yes, with his glasses, he looks very smart. Ooh.
Sister, go up closer. Actually, come here. I'm gonna show them something. So this is the same.
This is gonna go on YouTube, right?
Yeah. So this is the same truck as my grandpa's, but smaller, and it's an RC truck.
My grandpa has a bigger version. He can actually drive it with the tire thing. He's just controlling it with the remote. My turn.
No, not yet.
Why?
Because it's going on YouTube, and I want to be driving it while we're on YouTube.
Okay, then this is the end of YouTube. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
He has a monster shirt, guys. He's wearing my sister's sandals. See? Those are my sister's. These are mine. Bye. Woo! Watch that thing go. Dude, do that again so people can see him driving over those leaves. Watch those leaves. Woo! He's going fast, people.